Hello guys, welcome back to our Laravel project Livewire series part 2. Okay, in our last part we stopped at the form designing part where we design all our forms and our tables. So in this part here we will insert our student into our database by the help of Livewire without page refresh. Okay, so how to do that? Let's dive into the code. Let me show you step by step. Okay, so we are in the code here. Now open your resources folder, and inside resources folder we have the view folder here. Inside the view folder we have Livewire's folder here, and we have this another folder called this, okay, the students folder. Inside the students folder also we have the create student.blade folder here. Okay, open this create student.blade folder. Inside here we have our form. This is our form. So in this form here we have some inputs and one option here, one select option. So in Livewire, how to give name to your inputs is different with normal application, how to give your name to your inputs. So in Livewire, how to give names to your input is this command, where model equals to name of the input. So our name of our input is fname. This is our name of the input. So let's come to the last name input here. The same thing, we're going to give where model equals to lname, means our last name. Okay, this is our name of our input. Okay, and the other one also is the phone, so we can say where model equals to phone. Okay, so the last one is the gender, so is the select option. We're going to use where model equals to gender. That's our names inside our inputs and our select option here. So in Livewire, how to submit your form. If you want, we can remove this form here because this form has no use in this project for us right now. Okay, so but I will leave it there just like that. Okay, so in this input here we have the type of the submit here. So in Livewire, how to make an event for your form, you can do where click dot event and equals to followed by the name, the function name that you're gonna create inside the component. So this is our function name that I will create inside our student Crud inside app http Livewire folder inside this Crud component, student Crud component. So inside this component here I will create this insert this insert function there. Okay, so let's open the Crud here. Just dive into here and let's make one public function here. Public function. The name of our function is insert. Okay, let's give the name and let's open this thing here. So now how to insert, how to make the fields here. I can do this. I can call the student model like this and make create. We can call create. Okay, this I'll create with the array. So inside the create here, we can give the names that we give our inputs. Okay, that names are matched with our database names as well. Okay, so you can do this. Our database name is first name, right? Okay, so the first name is the array of this f name. This f name is from here. Is from this input name is f name. So we pass this thing here, and we do this, and we can say last name. Okay, the array. You can say this. Keyword this l name. Okay, another one also you can say full to this. You can say this full, and the last one is our gender. This gender also you can say this gender. Okay, then we close our tag here. So you see here, this is the way that you can make your input to insert your data into our database. So if we go back to our browser here and we refresh our form, then if we add any name here, I will get the name here. But before that, let's give our name let's just go without that. Let's just check it out. Okay, we can say alaji sengaja. The phone number will be something like this. What's wrong with my computer? Okay, so you see we have error because of this thing we didn't define anything here. So let's define our names above here. For click, we can say f name, l name, and we can say phone, and the last one is what is the gender, right? You can say gender and close it up here. So now we can have this thing in our blade file as usual. So now let's go back and refresh our page. You see, everything's working fine. So now let's try to insert and see whether our data will be inserted or not. Okay, let me open my localhost. For stuff. So here, now let's insert and see. You can say alaji sengaja, phone number, and this thing gonna be phone number. Great. Okay, it seems like it's inserted successfully. Let's check inside our database. So you see inside our database now we have our first record inserted successfully. Okay, so let's go back to the code and open the here. Now I will try to fetch our data from the database to our table. Okay, so I will use this. I will say student data. Okay, this student data, I'm gonna use this one. Copy it, come here, do this plus student data, this plus student data equals to student model student all. Okay, so take this thing. So let's try to import our student model on top of here. Just try to import right this thing here on top of your student model. So and now let's try to call this inside our inside our table. Okay, inside here student Crud, that's our table is here now. So I don't need all these things. Okay, I don't need all these things. I just need only this one. I just need only this one. So here, let's pass here for each loop. Okay, for each loop. Okay. For each this student data, for each student data, ASCII, you can say student. Okay, for each student data ASCII student, and let's end our if our stuff here. Just cut this one, cut it, bring it here, paste it here, and come here, and for each, and for each. Okay, so in here, in this scope here, I will run the key here, so I can say something like this. Okay, student does, okay, you can say first name. Okay, then copy, paste, copy, paste. So we have all these things here. We remove these ones. You can say here last name, heck is going in my keyboard, you know. Here we can say our gender, and but here our gender here I will remove this. Okay, I will use if condition here. So remove this. Let's use if condition. If student, if student gender equals to 1 equals to 0, then we can give male here. Else you can say you can give female. That's all. And the next one here is the phone number. This is the phone. Here you can say phone. And the created at time and date you can say is. You can give the created at. Okay, and give a function called. Okay, it's okay like this. Just save it. Come here, inside here, just refresh our page and see if if we will have our data here or not. Whoops, we have error. Okay, unexpected student data. Okay, yeah, sorry, my mistake. I didn't put the variable here, because this should be a variable. So refresh it. Now our data will be coming fine. Unexpected for each and for each y. Why this n for each? This n for each y unexpected n for each. This t body. That's this t here. Got this one and this here. Okay, so now refresh our page. Okay, I think our problem is something if. Oh yeah, our problem is here. This and if. Okay, and if is not here, so that's why we have the problem. So I will check. Let's refresh the page. Refresh and see. Okay, you see now our data is coming fine. This is our data, but our first name and last name is not coming. Let's check that one. Oh yeah, our first name should be written like this. It should be written like this. This is the first name, and last name also written like this. Last name, and this one you see declared at how it looks like this. So let me change it. Div. Change to div for human. Okay. Use this function div for human, so it will make the changes into human variable updated at. So now let's start to refresh our page and see. What the heck? Div for human, right? Okay, here you should add here s. Okay, div for human, so now we work fine. What the heck? Hey, what's wrong with my keyboard? See this? What's wrong with my keyboard? What the hell is going on? It will come fine now. Okay. So you see, we have our stuff. You see, our first name is here, our last name is here, our gender is here. Now let's add another one and see whether it will add again. Lamin Silla, and we can put this number. Okay, mail, add it. Okay. You see, we have our Lamin Silla without page refresh. You see, in 1 second ago. You see, so and in here need to add one our stuff here. This should be our sneaky button here, TD buttons. Inside the TD, inside this TD, I will have button btn what's wrong with my computer today? I don't know what's wrong with my computer today, you know. It's acting crazy. btn SNS btn intro. Okay, we're gonna be edit so let's copy and paste this one. So it's this one will be delayed, and this is gonna be btn DJ. So let's try to refresh the page and see. Okay, you see we have our edit and our delete button. So I will stop the video here. In the next part, I will work on the edit function. Okay, so stay tuned.